Hello everybody, welcome back. I am back from vacation, family time, birthday celebration, you name it, I've done it the last 2 weeks. It's crazy. But I am finally back to share with you guys some deals at Walgreens. It was a much needed break. We got back from California 2 days ago. Yesterday was my big 40th birthday. I know it's crazy, but I'm still a giant kid at heart. But we're gonna go inside and have some fun. I'm excited to see the Walgreens employees because I haven't seen them in weeks. But let's go inside and share with you guys some deals inside. So here's a great deal on some Old Spice deodorant. So my store is not tagged, but we have the Old Spice aluminum free Fiji. This is actually on sale for $7. My tag is not up. I'm not sure about this one because it's not showing up online, but this one is on sale for $7. What you're gonna want is you want to grab 3 of them. 3 of them for $7. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you will use. You will pay $16 for the 3 of them, but we have an Ibotta rebate where you get $2 back with a limit of 4, so you'll end up getting $6 back with that deal. And there's also another Ibotta rebate that you can get $1 back for sprays, so you end up getting $9 back with Ibotta. And when you purchase the 3, you get a $5 register reward, making these just $2 or 67 cents each, which is a great deal. My store only has 2 of the sprays, so I'm going to end up getting one of these Oasises that are $6. I'll pay 17 bucks, I think, or 15 bucks, but then I only get $2 back, and I get $3 back with Ibotta. But these end up coming $3 or $1 each, which is still a great deal. So here's a decent deal if you guys like this, because these are the giant bottles of the shampoo and conditioner of the Aussie. So these are on sale too for $14, making them $7 each. I currently have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. We also have a 2 off of 2, but I have a 5 off of 2. Now it does vary per account, but you would end up using that 5 off of 2. You would pay $9 for 2 of these, but there's a deal when you buy 2 of them, you get a $4 register reward, making these just $5 or $2.50 each, which is actually a pretty good deal for considering these are the giant tubs of Aussie. So just wanted to share with you guys on that deal. So here's a great deal if you guys want some Crest Brilliance. So these are on sale for $7. We currently have, I actually have 2 different coupons. I have a 5 off of 2 of this one, and then I also have a 5 off of 2 of this one, so you can mix and match whatever coupon comes off. But you're going to use that 5 off of 2. You will end up paying just $9 for the 2 of them. I forgot to screenshot the Ibotta offer, but you will end up paying $9 for the 2 of them. You will end up submitting your receipt to Ibotta, where you will get $1 back times 2, and then there is a bonus where you get 50 cents. I'm not sure if you have to have it in 2 separate transactions or 1, but I'll let you know in my breakdowns at the end of the video. But you will also end up getting a $5 register reward for purchasing the 2, making these just $2 or $1 each. If you do get that 50-cent bonus, it comes out to be just 75 cents each. And I say this is a great deal considering this is expensive toothpaste towards the other stuff. So between $1 and 75 cents each, that is a great deal. So here we have some deals. My coupons are not working very well on the app, but we have the Gentle Glide. These are $4 on sale. I currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you could use. So you're going to get the 3 of them, even though it says 4 or 2. You're going to get 3 of them at $4 each. You're going to use that 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You will end up paying just $7 for the 3 of them, but then you will get a $4 register reward when you purchase all 4 of them, making them just $3 or $1 each, which is a pretty great deal if you guys want to do that. So here's a better deal that I found. So we have these Glide floss picks. These ones are on sale for $4 each. You're gonna buy 2 of them. I currently have a 4 off of 2 Oral-B digital coupon. It didn't work for this one, but it does work for this one when you purchase the two. So you'll pay $4 for both of them, but then you will get a $4 register reward, making these both absolutely free. So the Halloween candy deals are coming up, and this week's deal of the week for candy is the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. And then we also have the Snickers. So if you guys are having a hankering for some candy, $1.99 is a great price for these candies. If you need some toilet paper, the Walgreens brand is on sale this week for $1.99, plus you get 5% on Walgreens cash as a bonus. So stock up if you guys need some. So here's an awesome deal if you guys need some Taco Bell gift cards or DoorDash. So they have it where if you buy 2 of the gift cards, so you can buy 2 of them at $15 each, you'll spend 30 bucks. But then you end up getting a $10 Walgreens gift card for free. So basically you'll pay $30 and get a $40 value. But from what I learned, you have to use the one that shows in the picture. So we will see, but 30 bucks plus a $10 Walgreens gift card for buying Taco Bell, or I don't know where the DoorDash ones are, but great deal. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna say, Walgreens, their sales have repeated so many times. Like, it's just crazy, like the same sales over and over again. And I really do miss like couponing at other places. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I've been like slowly cutting back on couponing. I'm not quitting, I'm just burnt out. But I'll be back at it. I'll be back at Walmart in a couple weeks. My kids start school in like a week and a half. So when school starts, I will finally be going back to Walmart. I just like shopping without my children. I'm still thinking of maybe going back to CVS. I'm not sure, but I do want to share with you guys like more deals and stuff on that. But let's just kick in so I can share with you guys what I got at Walgreens today. Now, there is a ton of clearance at my store. Clearance everywhere, but everything is pretty much gone. All the makeup this month is buy 2 get 1 free, so there might be some easy deals on that. My store was still putting a lot of the monthly sales up. Today is like the new Walgreens IVC booklet a month, so there are a lot of new deals. But let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So I did do the Taco Bell deal. My husband loves Taco Bell, so I always try to get him Taco Bell gift cards when I can get myself a $10 Walgreens gift card. So that's what I got. So I spent $30 on Taco Bell gift cards and I got a $10 Walgreens gift card to use for a future purchase. I usually buy this for stuff that I'm not couponing for, and these never expire hardly at all. So just giving you guys a heads up, this is a great deal if you guys want some. Yo quiero Taco Bell. I'm sorry if I did not pronounce that correctly. So I did 2 transactions because 2 of the deals I think were the deal of the week. I could have done all in one transaction, I think, but I just did it this way. So my store only had 2 of the Old Spice body sprays, and then I got 1 of the Oasis. Now, if you guys get the body sprays, these are $7 on sale. You want to use that $5 off a 3 digital coupon. You will pay 16 bucks for the 3 of them, but then there is 2 Ibotta deals where you will get $2 back for the deodorant deal, and then you also get $2 back, or $1 back for the regular dry spray. So you can end up using that, and then you will receive a $5 register reward for purchasing the 3 of them, making them just $2 or 60 cents each. So I got that, but I ended up needing 1 more, so I ended up getting these for $7. This was $6. I used that 5 off of 3. I paid $15 for 3 of these, but then I ended up getting $2 back for these, and then I got $6 back with these with Ibotta, and then I received that $5 register reward. And I just got my money back from Ibotta, and I ended up getting a $1 bonus from Old Spice. So that was a great deal. So these end up becoming even cheaper. So got that for myself. So that was one transaction that I did all by itself. I did it just by itself because I was confused. But I did get the Aussie. So the Aussie is a P&G product, I think. It doesn't say that it is, but I think it is. So I ended up getting the Aussie. These were 2 for $14. I have that 5 off of 2 digital coupon, paid $9 for the both of these, but then you get a $4 register reward, and these are all manufacturer. So I got that $4 register reward, making these $5 or $2.50 each, which is a pretty decent deal. I actually like the Aussie products, so that's gonna be one of my shampoos and conditioners that I use next. The deal of the week is coming for a Halloween candy, and we got Reese's or Snickers for $1.99. I like using the Reese's. I like cutting them up in my ice cream, so I definitely got that. I ended up also getting the the Oral-B Glide toothpicks. Now these were $4 each. I had a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. I paid just $4 for the both of these, but then you do get a $4 register reward back, making these both for free, which is a great deal. And then the last deal I got was the Crest 3D Brilliance. I did scan all this stuff, so the picture shows one thing, but I did scan it on the Ibotta app, and this is what pops up. So these were $7 each. I had that 5 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $9 for it, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 and $1. And I don't know if I got my money back yet for this one. Let me see. It says it's pending, but it's not. And then when you purchase 2 of those, you end up getting a $5 register reward. So you got that $5 register reward, and I did get the 50-cent bonus. I did get the 50-cent bonus for that. It shows that I didn't, but it did. But I did. So yeah, 50-cent bonus right there. So I end up getting these for basically 75 cents each. Was that $1.50? $1.50 for 2 of them, which is a great deal if you guys need to go ahead and do that. So that was everything that I got. It is kind of a slow week at Walgreens this week. It usually is because school's starting, so a lot of people are focusing on back to school stuff right now. I'm surprised a lot of the school supplies are not on sale. My store also had, I'm not done, I have another registry reward to share with you guys. My store also had their summer stuff still not marked down. But since I got the Oral-B glides, and then I also got the toothpaste, and then I got the Aussie, I did those in all 3 transactions. I ended up getting this register reward. I got this Wellness for Women. It is a $5 P&G. It says, I basically got it for buying the Crest and the Aussie. So here's another $5 that I got for additional register rewards. So that is what I got. So I'm not including the Taco Bell gift cards in my haul, but I ended up getting everything for $31.54. Now I did not pay that price. I always paid with points. I had no register rewards, but I did pay with points. But I did receive $1.90 back in points. It's my birthday month, so I ended up getting like, what, 10% in rewards. So I got $1.90 possibly. I did receive $18 worth of regular register rewards, and then I received that $5 register reward for the P&G deal. So I got that. So I got $23 back in register rewards, and then I did receive $10 back normally with Ibotta, but then I checked and I got that additional $1.50 in bonuses. So without the $1.50 in bonuses, I got $3.36 moneymaker. So everything came to be, what, a $4.96 or 86-cent moneymaker. All right, you guys, I got everything for free, and I'm pretty excited with my haul. So definitely make sure you guys are doing those deals if you can. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. I am back. I am ready to post more things, more savings deals for you guys. Once school starts, I'll be even better because my daughter is going to be in preschool in the mornings, so I'll have a couple hours of myself time, which I never have, but I'm pretty excited for that. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.